Welcome to video 29 of tips, tricks and shortcuts for CA Foundation Mathematics. Today let's see question number 111 from additional question bank of sequence and series. In exam you do not have time to solve these questions mathematically. So there is a simple trick that you should do, which is assuming some numbers. If A, B, C are in GP, then A square plus B square, AB plus BC and B square plus C square are in which sequence? So best ways to assume some numbers. Let's say ABC are in GP. So let's assume them as 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Now A square plus B square will be 2 square plus 4 square, which is 20. AB, that is 8, plus B into C, that is 32, so 40. B square is 16, C square is 64, so that is 80. 20, 40, 80. If you observe, this is in GP because it is doubled, so B is the correct answer. Always try to see in questions like this whether you can assume some numbers and solve, because that will save a lot of time.